Getting into the spirit. Embrace the mood and atmosphere. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, get into the spirit. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, understanding these expressions can really bring your English to life. So, let's get into the spirit of learning together. Get into the spirit is a phrase that means to become involved in the mood or atmosphere of a particular situation or event. It's about embracing the feelings, attitudes, or intentions that are part of a specific context. Imagine you're at a party where everyone is excited and having fun. Getting into the spirit means you start to feel that excitement too and participate wholeheartedly. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. Holiday celebrations. I love how everyone gets into the spirit during the Christmas season with decorations, music, and gifts. Sports events. Even if you're not a huge soccer fan, it's easy to get into the spirit when you're watching a game with passionate fans. Team projects. Our group project was a success because everyone got into the spirit of collaboration and hard work. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, emphasizing participation and emotional involvement. The phrase, get into the spirit, can have different nuances depending on the context. It's not just about participating. It's about adopting the right attitude for the situation. Whether it's the joy of a holiday, the excitement of a sports game, or the dedication to a group project, getting into the spirit helps you connect with others and enjoy the experience more fully. And there you have it. Understanding phrases like, get into the spirit, can really help you connect with the emotional and social aspects of English. We hope this video has helped you grasp the meaning and use of this vibrant expression. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar. It's about communicating feelings, ideas, and attitudes. So, let's all get into the spirit of learning English together. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.